guys. So luto na yung ginawa natin chicken chop suey. Simple lang yan kasi yung mga sahog niyan, mga gulay niyan, ano na yun sa palengke yun, nakabalot na halo-halo. So ganyan lang yung serving niya. So bilang ano lang yung meron kami dito sa kusina. Yun lang yung mga pinaglalagay namin na ingredients, ano na yung available. Pasustansya yun guys, healthy. Kain tayo. Hi guys, ito na yung niluto natin yung chicken chop suey.
Masarap.
Kain tayo. Hindi pa nga natitikman, masarap.
Natikman ko kanina. Grabe, konti ng rice mo.
I swear an oath of allegiance to the Emerald Buddha,
to the city guardian spirits, I am Devakila, of all
Asibam.
sacred creatures in this world.
Mabisa,
I shall
asibam.
testify only the truth in this court.
should I give any false testimony, even in the
Dami yung
slightest
gulay.
degree, may the rest
Ay,
of my
konti lang yung
days
rice mo.
be
Dami
plagued
yung
by
gulay, mabubusog ka
disaster
naman.
and adversity.
Asibam guys.
Mm.
Mabisa
Can you
asibam.
please tell the court on the night of the killing, where exactly were you?
I recall that it was around 6 o'clock and that it was Friday. I had gone to visit the storm.
Sarap ng templada mo.
I was sitting on the veranda at Soars. Then I saw Mike coming home on his motorbike.
Hold it there, please. Were you on your own?
Oh, me? Not me. There were two more. With me were Siriporn and Tawanshai, the school principal.
Wala ang gulay.
Come here! Come in here! Hey! Hey, Mike! Wow, long time no see. A good looker like this guy.
Yung binili kasi namin mga gulay guys, nakapakete na siya sa palengke. Yung pagbukas namin, mga 3 peraso lang yung carrots, tapos mga 5 piraso na maliliit na sayote. Puro cabbage.
Headed home.
Wala.
What?
Crisis na ngayon. Ganun na lang yung packaging ng mga gulay sa palengke. Hindi tulad noon na marami talaga. Kano mo nabili yan?
Oh, yeah. We haven't got any karaoke yet.
20 peso. Mahal.
I was only going to sing one song, but I lost track of time. Before I knew it, it was past midnight, and that's when my wife called. Okay, I will.
Bring your trumpet.
Trump, I'm not. You are. We're drinking water.
Next time, mag-isa ka na lang. Pwede na.
Let's go. I'm not drunk. I'm not ready.
But we can all testify that mine was with us the whole night. There's no way that he shot anyone.
That's a lie. I saw that bastard Mike shooting with my own eyes. You're all in this together, you bad lying. You fucking liars. You don't know fuck yourself. What are you smiling, everyone? Please smile at me. I said stop. Everyone. Stop this.
I ask the court to take note. Between someone who has a
Isang
good
everyday tayo
government
gulay
job
ngayon.
and a monk who allows
Everyday
drinking
gulay.
and partying at his table, I ask, who do we trust? I'm well aware that the current fishing laws are creating major problems
Hanggang dito na lang guys. Ubusin na namin to.
for hiring
Thank you.